Cobra Electronics sent me the SC200D dash cam to evaluate, to test, to review. They sent it me free of charge, which was very kind of them, but to be honest, I found it quite invaluable. And I've since bought the side camera for it, which gives you the cabin view. And to be honest, I'm probably going to update to the 4K version. It's that good. Yesterday, I have it fitted. We have a garage. I'm always in different cars, but I have it fitted to the car that I use the most. Yesterday, I was coming home. I was in a 40-mile-an-hour limit. I saw a car parked at the side of the road. The car pulled out in front of me, and although the dash cam makes it look further away, it is quite close, and as I say, it was a 40-mile-an-hour limit. The chap then proceeded to just drift over the road into oncoming traffic. You can see from the, I've turned the sound off because there was a lot of swearing, but you can see from the cabin view that I'm flashing my lights at him and I'm beeping my horn. I thought he'd fallen asleep at first or had a heart attack or whatever, but he just veered over into the right-hand side lane. Then he came back. He virtually stopped. Then he came back, and then he started going across again. Must be drunk. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, or under the influence of something. As I say, at first I thought he'd perhaps had a heart attack and just drifted across the road. But when I overtook him, it was quite clear that wasn't the case. And it just goes to show you how invaluable these dash cams are in everyday use. I'm going to be keeping a log of these. In Preston, it seems to be a congregation of the worst drivers in the whole world. So keep watching, and I can't praise the quality of the dash cam highly enough. It's easy to fit. I'm going to get the 400. I'm going to fit that to my main car, and the Cobra SC200D that the Cobra Electronics sent me, because it's just a plug into the cigarette lighter. It is a kind of, the base does stick on to the screen, and it's a one use only, but you can get 3M nano sticky pads, which you can use over and over again. I'm just going to get one of those, and I'm going to transfer it from every car that I use, every car I go out in, and just keep it because, as I say, they're just invaluable. Thanks again to Cobra for sending it me, but you're costing me a fortune because I'm going to have to get the even better one. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.